Hi guys, it's me, Natalie. So who here has anxiety? It's okay, I do too. If you've ever had anxiety, please give this video a thumbs up so that the rest of us can see that we're not alone. My intention for this video is to give you exercises and tips that are actionable to help you reduce stress, anxiety, self-doubt right now. Also, I have a little gift for you. If you go down below in the description, you will find a free downloadable worksheet that can help you better manage your anxiety. It's filled with little things to put you in flow and a mindfulness state of mind. I want to give a huge shout out to Ryan for texting me and watching my videos. Thank you so much. If you'd like a shout out in my next video and a chance to chat with me, all you have to do is text me right now over at this number right here. And once you've done that, comment below #notification squad so I can be sure to check your message right now. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and for extra doses of inspiration that I don't already show you on here, check out my Instagram for more of that. All right, you ready for this? Let's do it. Oh my God, I have so much to do. How am I gonna do all of this? Okay, now just breathe, just breathe. Okay, just focus, Natalie. Just focus on right now. Oh boy, I have way too much on my mind. Whenever you feel like this, the very first step is to slow it down. Now, you know this is happening when you can no longer breathe properly, you're fidgety, you can't focus, and your chest is getting really heavy. Now, intuitively, your body knows, so it'll tell you, so just listen to it. You can literally force yourself to slow down. I learned this little hack, and it's by consuming hot beverages and hot foods. So for instance, in moments like these, drink your favorite warm tea. And the fact that you have to slowly drink it because it's too hot will allow you to naturally slow down. Drink a nice warm soup. As you're trying to cool down the soup, allow yourself to meditate into it. Even say things that you're grateful for. When you practice gratitude, you're focusing all of this pent up worried energy into a much more lighter and positive one. Breathing is so important. That's why it's so emphasized in Labo, in exercising, in yoga. Here's a little breathing technique to help you calm your mind, your body, all your senses. This is called the 4-7-8 breathing technique. And this truly helps alleviate stress and anxiety that you have right away. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a seat, you're gonna get comfy. Then you're gonna place your hand on your chest and on your tummy. This really just allows you to connect with yourself and be like, okay, I'm here, I'm now, I'm safe, I'm guarded. Now you're gonna inhale for 4 seconds. You're gonna hold for 7 seconds. And then you're gonna exhale for 8 seconds. And repeat it so on and so forth until your heart rate starts to regulate and you feel at ease. Pets are literally God's gift to the world. I truly believe it. I know that whenever I have had a panic attack, I usually like huddle myself and I hold myself. It's just something that I've noticed I do. Jupiter usually comes in and he acknowledges what's happening. He nudges me, licks me for comfort, and he stands by me. Pets, especially dogs and cats, can help reduce stress, anxiety, depression, ease your loneliness, encourage exercise and playfulness, and they can even improve your cardiovascular health. Caring for an animal can help children grow up with more security and feel more active. Also, if your dog is actually trained to be a service animal, a lot of the times what they'll do is they'll lay on top of your chest to help you feel your heartbeat and almost like bring everything back down, which is really amazing. So if you haven't already gotten a pet, get it. They're the best thing in the world. Here is a little hack on how you can control your anxiety in 10 seconds. Usually when you're feeling anxious, you're either stuck in the future, the unknowing, or you're dwindling on the past. We're gonna be using our senses to bring ourselves back to the present. The very first thing is you're gonna point out 5 things that you see. It could be pens, flowers, the ceiling. You could be seeing your dog. It could be literally anything. Just find a focal point to allow your mind to be like, okay, I'm here right now. Then you're gonna choose 4 things that you feel. A planner, whatever is around you to eat, your rings, anything that you physically have on you. Then you're gonna pick 3 things that you hear. Be any kind of outside noise, white noise. Maybe you could just hear yourself breathing. Next, you're gonna pick out 2 things that you smell. Maybe anything that you're eating. It could be your own perfume. It could be your stinky dog, whatever. It's just allowing you to come back. And the very last thing is 1 thing that you taste. This could maybe be your toothpaste after you brush your teeth. It could be the aftertaste from your hot tea, your coffee, whatever it is. Doing this allows you to get back into the present moment, and it's been so helpful for me. Be a kid again. I love this one. I read this quote somewhere. It says, if you remember who you were as a child, your moment of bliss, before any parent or society changed you, that's who you are naturally. And it's so true. I remember going into college, not really understanding what I wanted to do. And I was doing all of these things that weren't truly authentic to myself. The best way to do that is think of yourself as a kid. What were your favorite hobbies? What were your favorite colors? What were your favorite shows? What was your favorite pastime or activities? More than likely, that still is within you somewhere, and it makes it more authentic. Like for me, I loved art class. I loved drawing. I loved being creative. I loved reading inspirational books on like business. Still stands true till this day. And so I feel like I am in perfect career for that just because I was able to follow what that little girl was like. But more than likely, you are still very true to your roots. So I think that's so great. Allow yourself to be a kid. And all it means is really just asking yourself that question. Who was I as a kid? Understand your triggers. So what are triggers? Triggers can cause an event or a situation to happen or to exist. For me, it's feeling underprepared. With the whole coronavirus thing going on, I put a picture on my Instagram of my fridge and I felt like I was underprepared. I started to panic. That's one of my triggers. Another trigger for me is being overly scheduled. And this could be a trigger for you too. This can really make your mind feel really stressed because you have an endless to-do list and you don't know how the heck you're gonna get it done. When you say no to others, you're saying yes to yourself. Being busy doesn't always mean that you're being productive. That's something that I had to learn for myself. I did not know how to balance work. This is what I thought work was like, and this is what work really should be like. What is draining your phone battery? Take a look, because what's draining your phone battery might also be draining your internal battery. What you're consuming on your phone can potentially change your mood. So there's a function on smartphones which will actually tell you how much time you're spending on certain apps. And with this information, you take it and you start to see, okay, maybe I'm feeling sad on this day. What am I consuming? Am I too much on these apps that are making me compare myself? Maybe it's not bringing me any kind of good light into my brain. And then you have the days where you feel happy. So check out the apps that you're consuming. Maybe it's really positive podcasts, books that you're reading, inspirational quotes, people that you're viewing. This can truly serve as a really powerful map for your emotions and what you could be feeling throughout the week. So definitely take note on that. Coping with guilt. Now, I've had panic attacks in the past, and honestly, I'm always left with a lot of guilt. Why did this happen? How did I let myself get to this? I'm embarrassed. When this happens to you, write it down. Even before you get to that breaking point, write it down. Write down all your feelings. Nothing is off limits here, okay? Forgive yourself. You're a human being. Guilt stresses the body out more. It creates tension on your back. It creates tension on your shoulders. So take this time to express to yourself in writing whatever you got going up here. And if you're struggling with where to start, check out the downloadable free PDF that I link for you guys down below. It will help you. There's some journal prompts in there that I'm sure to help ease your anxiety. This next one, honey, took me a bit to figure out. Take a moment to do nothing. When was the last time that you did nothing? Comment below. Dolce far niente. I think that's how you say it. This is Italian. It means the sweetness of doing nothing. I actually learned this from the movie Eat, Pray, Love. What it talks about is that when you sit with yourself in silence, there's so many more revelations. It allows you to be in tune with yourself. Sometimes we're all afraid to just do nothing. So a good way to start is to sit with yourself in silence, close your eyes, put your phone away. Maybe something will come to you, a moment of realization, or maybe you'll just take that moment with no expectation. Just a moment to relax and indulge in doing nothing. It's a beautiful thing. Another good way to do nothing is doing more so mindfulness tasks. So if you're washing the dishes and you're talking to a friend, you're multitasking. So take that moment to do that mindfulness task. Cleaning the dishes, scrubbing and drying the dishes, tracing letters, coloring, putting your makeup on. There's a lot of different ways that you can do little mindfulness tasks, allow you to just come back to the present moment. So you're giving yourself the best gift you can ever give yourself, which is time. Find your own therapy. Now, this is interesting. It doesn't have to mean pouring out your heart into someone. Maybe your kind of therapy is just talking to your best friend, having a life coach. I recently got myself a life coach and it has been life-changing. The best thing to plan out and visualize my life with someone. It's been so incredible. For me, it's been a more holistic way to express my feelings to a stranger. We roadmap my life. We talk about visualization, manifestation, we breathe. We do a lot of that stuff. So find your own therapy, and even your own therapy can be petting your pet, putting on makeup, organizing your closet, whatever makes you feel good. The Queen Oprah Winfrey says she's never needed a therapist because she's always had her best friend Gail there to hear her pour her heart out. How beautiful is that? Use affirmations for anxiety. Tell yourself good things. Inner self-talk is so important, and if you don't know where to start, also PDF is waiting for you down below to be downloaded. I'm giving you guys incredible ways that you can talk to yourself. This inner dialogue will play into your mind throughout the entire day. So like for instance, you can tell yourself things like, I am safe. Look at yourself in the mirror, look at yourself dead in the eye, not dead in the eyes, you know, look at yourself with love and really affirm these things to yourself. For instance, I am safe. Natalie, I am safe. I am safe. Natalie, I am powerful, girl. I am powerful, girl. I'm powerful, girl. And slowly but surely start to believe it. It's like fake it till you make it. It works wonders, people. I always used to do this before a huge presentation at school. Even now in my adult life, I do it for whenever I'm walking into big business meetings and I feel a little bit like scared, you know? So I tell myself I am powerful, I am capable, I am intelligent, I am proud woman. Extra doses of ways to reduce anxiety that I haven't shared with you in this video, check out the link down below, a free downloadable worksheet that you can put next to your nightstand, bathroom, hang on your bathroom mirror. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed and comment below what is one thing that you do to help you reduce anxiety. If you want another video like this that will help you and change your life, check out this video right here or this video right here. I love you guys. Don't forget to text me and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.